Alright, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to pick up some calculus here. We're going to be talking about polar equations and Cartesian equations. And so basically what we're asked to do here is to convert the given polar equation to a Cartesian equation. And so we're just given r is equal to 6 sine theta. So let's quickly remind you about polar coordinates and how we'll go about doing this. Alright, so remember for polar coordinates that x is equal to r cosine theta, y is equal to r sine theta. We know that r is equal to the square root of x squared plus y squared. And we know that r squared is equal to x squared plus y, or x squared plus y squared, because if I squared both sides of if I squared this side r and I squared this as well, remember squaring this square root, in that case we'll get rid of it. We'll just get what we got under it. And so it's really just, substitution process and whatnot. So what about sine? So remember that sine theta in this particular case, that's y over r. So let's go ahead and replace with the appropriate information. So we got r is equal to 6 times y over r. Okay. Let's multiply both sides by r, because if I do that and I multiply over here, notice that we could easily do the simplification at that point, because this becomes r squared is equal to 6y, because it gets rid of the r over here since they both cancel. And we just do some simplification. So remember that r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. So we'll get x squared plus y squared is equal to 6y. Now we need to get this equal to 0. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 6y from both sides. So this would be x squared plus y squared minus 6y is equal to 0. And this would be a good time to probably complete the square. I think that'll help us here. So hope you guys remember how to complete the square from algebra. Remember what you do, you take half of the b term and you square it and add and subtract. Okay. And so we know we would essentially be adding and subtracting 9, because half of 6 is 3, and we know that 3 squared is 9. So essentially, if we're completing the square, we'll have x squared plus y squared minus 6y plus 9 minus 9. And at that point, we'll have x squared minus 9, and then this will be plus y minus 3 squared minus 9 is equal to 0. But it's probably a good thing to go ahead and add 9 to both sides, and if we do that, we'll just get x squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 9. And that would actually be your final answer. That'll be our Cartesian equation. So your final answer for this remember the Cartesian equation, remember we're just talking about x and y. So this would essentially be the Cartesian equation. So we got x squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 9. So that's our answer. Okay, so if you guys got any questions about how I arrived at my answer, let me know. I'll be more than happy to go over it. But that's your solution. Okay, I'll see you guys next time.